We are trying to make sure that we prepare you as per the actual pattern, but we also make you exposed to both type of questions. That is why we are going to provide both of these opportunities, 180 question test and 200 question test on our platform. You don't have to worry about a single thing. Just focus on your studies. We will be able to navigate you and guide you towards what the right path is, what should be your approach as more and more changes get implemented. Especially, I'm expecting some changes to happen with this 7-member high-powered committee. You must have seen this notice from NTA regarding JEE mains. They have decided that they are going to discontinue Section B. Section B fundamentally was there would be 10 questions in Section B in JEE mains in each of the 3 subjects. Students were required to attempt only 5 questions. So they have decided to do away with it, and a lot of students messaged me last night, sir, same thing is going to happen in NEET or not? What are you going to do? Are you going to make any changes to your test series or not? I want to answer these questions in a video. So let's go there. First of all, a lot of people called me last night and they were divided. One set of people said, sir, make sure you continue Section A, Section B. We will attempt only 180 questions, but we should keep getting difficult questions, because what you do is, in Section B, you give 5 very difficult questions. We have the option of not attempting them, but at least we get them and we are able to attempt them later. And another set of students said, sir, please switch to 180 question right away. I want to address these 2 point of views and how we can do the best of these 2 point of views and accommodate both of them. Understand this. First of all, in my mind, the implication for NEET 2025, if they decide to implement it in NEET 2025 as well, is NTA is first time trying to say that we are going to try and control the cutoff. What Section B did was, you were required to attempt 10 questions out of 15 in case of NEET exam, which most of the people will get right, because they will be able to find 5 questions which they don't know. They will only attempt those 10 questions which they were 100% sure of, and the cutoff increased, right? As soon as that is gone, that internal choice is gone, there would be a natural cut down of the cutoff, which is good. The other thing is, it might also happen that they might implement level 1 and level 2. You remember there was a 7-membered high-powered committee that was formed. Initial news that was coming out of it, which Times of India reported by their correspondent Manas Pratim Gohin, was that they are going to consider level 1 and level 2 for the exam. Level 1 would be conducted for everyone in pen paper OMR format. Level 2 would be not conducted by NTA. So level 1 would be conducted by NTA and level 2 would be conducted by either, let's say, AIMS or NMC or CBSE, and this would be a computer based test. And the idea would be that out of level 1 they will select 20% people to write level 2, and level 2 rank would be the basis for admission in government medical colleges. There is no news on that, but ultimately what happened this year should not happen again. That is why some of these changes you will start seeing to happen. You don't have to worry about them. These changes are for everyone. We are here to guide you about how to navigate through those changes. You don't have to worry about it. So the thing that is there is, the big conundrum is, Section B might end in NEET 2025, but Section B type questions need to be practiced. In our test series, we give difficult questions in Section B, so that even if student finds it difficult, they have the option of leaving them. But now that thing might go if we only give 180 question test. So what are we going to do to preserve this thing? Understand this. In Target Batch, you know, Target Batch is our course which a lot of students take, in which you can practice MCQs and write mock tests, right? In Target Batch, we are going to provide 2 options for every test. Whenever you generate test from custom test generator or from Target Test, you will have 180 question option where there would be biology 90, chemistry 45, physics 45, and there would be 200 question test which would have 4 subjects: zoology, botany, chemistry, physics. It would have Section A, Section B. You can decide which format you want to attempt. First. Second thing is, in classroom test series, as soon as NTA announces that this change is also going to be applicable in NEET, which means there is not going to be any Section B in NEET, we are going to switch to 180 question test in classroom test series. But we will provide 200 question version for each test. We will provide 200 question version of each test in online format. So in classroom it would be 180 question test whenever NTA announces, and along with that we will provide you a 200 question Section A, Section B format, so that we are able to push some difficult questions at you. At present the test is going to be 200 question test only, because there is no announcement regarding NEET from NTA. So hopefully students, you would have understood what we are trying to do. We are trying to make sure that we prepare you as per the actual pattern, but we also make you exposed to both type of questions. That is why we are going to provide both of these opportunities, 180 question test and 200 question test on our platform. You don't have to worry about a single thing. Just focus on your studies. We will be able to navigate you and guide you towards what the right path is, what should be your approach as more and more changes get implemented. Especially, I'm expecting some changes to happen with this 7-member high-powered committee. So subscribe this channel. And if you have joined our course, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Our course will continuously get customized to the reality which will get created as changes come, and we will continuously guide you through it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. But guys, again, there's nothing to worry. All is well, and keep studying, keep focusing on your weak areas. All right, students.